welcome to break 1283 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Pack. Let's go ahead and check the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, November 18th, 2019. It's 10:16 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:16 p.m. Central Time, and 7:16 p.m. Pacific Time. Aaron has all 30 spots, so no need to randomize. Let's jump right back over to our card here. Okay. We have a pristine 10 Bowman Chrome Draft Defining Moments. Joe Adele, centering 9-5, edges 10, corners 10, surface 10. That'll get you a pristine 10 for the Angels. Defining Moments. Very nice for the Angels. Pristine 10. Congrats, Aaron. And that was break 1283. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spots. Thanks.